like
No.
swirling?
No.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Beware. Beware.
My God.
Fails in 5 seconds, stack up.
Beware.
Don't move, don't move, don't move. Move.
Three, two, 1.
Beware.
We have chains in 5.
Beware.
Arrows.
Normie, make sure you try this.
Yeah,
Wait.
I'm like right up next to it. Hopefully, there we go.
We have Veil in 5 seconds. Clearly these changes, some are really far away.
Gosh, dude.
Need help on Spider Chain?
Beware.
Stack, stack, stack.
Three, two, 1.
Beware.
And intermission. Chains are coming out in 2 seconds. Coming out now.
Beware.
Alright, get to the edge, spread out.
Beware.
Well done. Remember, it's not a race. Don't get hit by waves. Don't fall off.
Beware. 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 Beware.
Alright, kick out 1 second. Everyone hard stack on green, very tight. And all DPS cooldowns right here. Fails in 10 seconds. So stack up tight. Tight, tight, tight stacks.
Beware.
Don't move, don't move, don't move. Move. Good job. We have 7 seconds of damage. Alright, no more damage.
Beware.
Don't get hit by wave, kill judge.
Beware.
Fail. Kill Goliath. I have kick. Focus Summoner.
Beware.
Stack up. Kill Ors. Focus Summoner. Focus Goliath. We got Veil in 3 seconds. Tight.
Beware.
Don't move, don't move, don't move. Move.
Beware.
I have kick on Sylvanas. 2-minute CDs on the Summoner.
Beware.
We have Wave coming, and then we have Veil right after this.
Beware.
Watch out for Veil and Wave. Watch out for Veil and Wave. Let's run across. I don't have kick.
Oh, that's my fault. I didn't even mean to do that. It was a mouse over.
This is 3-minute CDs here. 3-minute CDs.
You just scared me, that's all.
Get the shit out of myself.
Beware.
melee get out.
Veil in 5 seconds. Range stack, melee stack. Veil.
Beware. Beware.
Alright, good job everyone.
Careful, careful, spread, spread.
They didn't even fix that. It's just like fucking stupid.
Yeah, I'm like, there's no way that's how that's supposed to work.
Don't worry, they'll fix it in 9.3.
Alright, what's up?
They stack until arrows. Right out. We have Veil coming in 10 seconds. 5 seconds.
Beware.
Spread.
Spell amp.
Spell beef. I got her.
We have Fury in 10 seconds.
I got 4 stacks.
The arrows get out. Cards have the stack, just dispel when you can.
Spell amp.
I gotta move.
Stay spread out, we got Scream. We got followed by Veil after the Scream, so just stay spread. Don't worry about DPS right now.
DP innovate.
Beware.
Stay spread, stay spread, stay spread. Alright, back on boss. We have Fury in 5 seconds. Make sure we have dispels out.
Spell me. Beef.
Fury.
Got her. I have arrow, I gotta move out.
I have.
It's pools. Getting back in.
Dispel amp.
Spell beef when you can. I got her.
We have Scream, followed by Veil, so stay spread out as best as possible.
Watch pools, watch pools.
Stay spread, stay spread, stay spread. We have Raise after this.
Remember, we're gonna group at the middle of the platform. I'm going to mass this one.
I taunted.
Yeah, I'm going out. Please
We have
dispel
ra-
beef.
Mass dispelling.
I got her.
Dispel lamp.
I got arrow. I'm moving out.
Just go now and get puddles, yeah.
Heading back in.
Dispel lamp.
Dispel beef when you can. I got her.
You got taunt again, you got stuff.
Stay spread out for Scream.
I somehow
Bail.
got one on me.
Go to corner.
Go to corner, go to corner.
Yeah. I need to dispel when you can.
Bail in 3 seconds. Spread.
Beware.
Keep it up, boys.
Dispel lamp.
Fury, make sure dispels are good. We have raise.
Watch puddles.
Arrow.
I got arrow. I'm going to the skull. Skull.
Yes, go to skull. Everyone stack on me, on the opposite
Dispel
side
lamp.
of this.
Dispel lamp.
Dispel beef when you can too.
We have Scream in 5 seconds. Be ready to spread. This is a great pull, by the way, right here.
Focus up. Come on.
Dispel beef.
Spread for Scream.
Dispelling beef.
All right, restack. We have Fury in 10 seconds.
I got her.
I got her. It's clear.
Okay.
Clear.
Dispel beef when you can.
Dispelling.
Dispel lamp. Also.
Fury.
Use personals here. Everything you got.
Pop him, rally.
I still got my cry.
Focus
Watch
up.
out.
Focus up. Focus up.
Red. Chris.
I know. We're fine.
We
And
did
that's
it.
very easy.
Good
Good
shit.
job, guys.
Way to go, everyone.
Good shit.
There we go. That was the cleanest pull right fucking there.
We went from
Oh,
fucking from a
yeah,
slop
guys.
fest to like almost perfection.
Super, super clean.
Yeah.
Great job, everyone.
Give me those embers.
Come on, old soul.
Let's go, dude.
Not gonna lie, it's just because I got mad and I was just clearing pulls like a fucking maniac that pull.
You know what? Honestly, I could tell you were a little angry. Like it sounded like
I'm
that.
sorry, I apologize.
The pools though, I'm just gonna say it was fucking worth it, bro. The pools are fucking perfect.
That's my secret.
I will say,
What the hell?
you guys
I want to
definitely.
know what poll number that was for me. I'm pretty sure that was like poll 76.